Hey everyone, it's Will Bowers with Allison James Estates and Homes. I am at 12705 Dara Drive in Woodbridge, Virginia. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom condo for rent. Just wanted to show you around a little bit. Plenty of parking. It does come with 2 parking spots. Also, there is a community pool right over there. Now, the unit is in the basement, so I'm going to edit this so you don't want you to be bored watching me go down the steps. But I will see you inside in just a second. So here we are at the front of the unit. Just to give you a heads up, the laundry room is in here and storage is in there. Head inside. Now, a couple of things I do want to point out. Like here, as we go through the living room, you do have one closet here and you do have another coat closet here. A couple of things I want to mention: that gas, electric, and water are included in the rent. So those are not your responsibilities. You would, for internet, cable, and if you do want a landline, those would be your responsibility. Now we can head into the dining room. Now the storage units do come with the unit. The unit is going to be cleaned, but it's, for the most part, let's just say it's available for immediate move-in. You do also have more parking back here as well. So if you have any guests, they could park back here, come through here. Also, I've seen some people, just for the convenience, they'll park here, bring in their groceries. Now, also, this table, it's not fixed. You can move it anywhere. The owner left it behind, so if anybody wants to have extra storage space, extra prep room, definitely possible. Now you also have a very deep pantry. It doesn't look like it, but you can see it does go towards the end of this wall. So you do have a lot of storage space, a lot of prep room, options for prep room. It is also gas cooking. You have your linen closet here. Now in here is the HVAC closet. Here is the second bedroom. Light fixtures do come with the unit as well. And let me show you the closet space in here. Now as I'm trying to close the closet door behind me, but I keep missing it as I'm grabbing for it. We have a full bathroom right here. And for the primary bedroom, you have a closet right here as well. So I have to apologize, I forgot to leave the light on for the closet, so here's a better view of the closet. Now you also have this bump out. I've seen people in this community use this for either storage. Some people have turned it into a little a vanity closet, vanity as well. Even seen one person put a TV in here, and this was kind of their video game corner. So like I said, 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, water, gas, and electric are included. So if you are interested, just reach out, let me know, we can set up a showing. If you do have an agent, have them reach out. We can set up a showing with them as well. But anyways, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.